Hi, I'm Simon Ritterband, the Managing Director of Moonrock Drone Insurance, and I've been honoured to have been a judge on this year's Airwards. Airwards are an amazing programme highlighting many of the drone accomplishments around the world. This year's applications have been incredible, showcasing some really groundbreaking work in the UAV industry. I'm now going to announce the winner of the Survey and Inspection Awards in the Operations Group. And the winner is Sees.ai for their submission of electricity grid and aerial inspection.
Hi, my name is John McKenna. I'm CEO of Sees.ai, and on behalf of the entire team, I'm delighted to accept this award. At Sees.ai, we're leveraging the founding team's background in Formula One, America's Cup and hedge funds, developing technology to enable the safe deployment of connected and autonomous drone fleets at national scale, starting with aerial inspection of the electricity grid. So a big thank you to Airwards, but also to our team, clients, partners and investors. We're looking forward to creating the future together with you.